I started with 2 packs of these unfinished wooden stars. They came 6 in a pack, and I got them from Walmart for about $1.50. And I took 3 of them and painted them sapphire using Wise Owl paint. And then I set those aside. I took 4 more wooden stars and painted them Republic Red. I put those aside, and then I took 4 more and painted them Antique Villa. Next, I took a piece of cardboard in 2 different size circles, and I traced them to make a thin wreath ring out of cardboard. Now, I know you can buy them wooden, but I did not have one on hand. And I just used my X-Acto knife to cut it out. And then I just cleaned up the edges with a pair of scissors. Next, I took my wreath ring and I painted it using Antique Villa, Wise Owl paint. I know it was already white, but this just gave it a finished look. And then I was able to cover the edges that were brown from the cardboard. Once that was dry, I went back to my stars and I started with 3 blue on the left side, and then I went white and red every other. And once I had them laid out on the wreath ring as I liked it, I took some E6000 industrial strength glue and adhered the stars to the cardboard wreath ring. Now, once the glue dried overnight, I took a 220 grit sandpaper and just gave it a quick sanding. And then after you sand, you want to make sure you remove any of the dust. And then I took some of the Wise Owl salve in my 2-inch palm brush, and I just applied the salve on top of the stars to brighten them back up. I took some General Finishes Gel Stain Antique Walnut and this paint stir, and I applied the gel stain using a paper towel. You just want to wipe a little on and then wipe the excess off. And when that was dry, I took some wood glue and attached it to the center of the wreath ring. For $2.99, I got this red, white, and blue pipberry garland from Hobby Lobby. And I just went around my wreath and wrapped it loosely around each star. And then when I came to the end, I just cut the extra off. And then I just twisted the beginning and end together. I got this sign from Hobby Lobby for $3.99. And using some wood glue, I attached the sign to the center of the wreath. And then I just took the jute hanger from the sign and put it behind. I got this Americana ribbon from Hobby Lobby as well. I just cut a small piece off and tied a knot and cut the ends on an angle. And then I just glued it to the upper left-hand side of the sign. And now you just have this really cute Americana wreath or wall decor. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some of our other tutorials over on our YouTube or webpage. Have a great day.